How many times has it happened that you ask ChatGPT to generate some text, you copy and paste that text on your Instagram caption, on your LinkedIn post, and instantly everyone can tell that this is AI generated and your aura is back in negative. Situation number 2, you ask ChatGPT to solve your homework questions, you paste that answer into the submissions, and your teacher can instantly detect AI using the AI Detector tool, either by Turnitin or GPT-0, and you end up getting 0 in that answer. While you thought you can get away with generating responses from ChatGPT in your homework and making marks, AI Detector can instantly tell that this text is AI generated. And this is the biggest flaw of all the large language models that we have today. AI tools like ChatGPT are great at helping you summarize stuff, but whenever you ask it to write something, a lot of problems come up. First of all, it can completely change the meaning of what you want to say. The tone gets lost. The voice of the person who wants to write it gets changed completely. And this is a major flaw of a lot of these models. Here is an amazing AI tool that can help you solve all of this. You can literally paste AI generated text and turn it into human-like paragraphs. I'm talking about Walter Wright's AI. Walter Wright's is an amazing platform where you can detect if the text is AI generated, and then you can also humanize the text and you can use it wherever you want to. You can even change the tone and the purpose for which you are creating this text. It will give you the text depending on your need. The voice and the tone will remain the same, while the text will sound much more concise and clear, and everything that you want to communicate is there right in the text itself. While you can try Walter Wright's with the link in the description, let me show you how the platform works. So this right here is Walter Wright's. You can humanize any AI text so it feels like you actually wrote it. That is essentially how it works. I will quickly sign in over here, and this is the platform that I would see. So you have a couple of options over here. You can either detect AI text or you can humanize AI text. So let's go on to ChatGPT and try writing a LinkedIn post. Write me a LinkedIn post on the latest Indigo failure. And this right here is the LinkedIn post that we wanted. I can basically just copy this whole text, and normally people just post it like that and people can instantly tell that, all these emojis and the way it is written, that this is AI generated. And we can also check for it. So we'll go on to detect AI text. We will basically paste this text right here. This is the text, and let's scan for it. Now it's going to detect 98% probability that this is AI generated. And now let's see what we can do to fix that. So we'll go on to AI Humanizer. So I will paste this text right here, and now I can change the readability and the purpose. So do you want it to be for university? Do you want it to be doctorate, journalist, marketing? Say I want it to be like a journalist readability. Purpose I can change over here. So maybe if I want to keep it general, I can also go with academic, marketing, business, essay, email, story. Let's go with a story, right? And then I can choose the detection bypass level, simple, standard, or enhanced. I'll keep it at enhanced, and then I can humanize and scan. So this will turn it into a human written text, and then it will scan and check if it is still showing AI generated. So text is ready. It will appear right over here. So this is the text that we now have. And it is going to scan for AI and tell that this is human written text right here. How cool is that? This is essentially how the platform works. I just showed you how to generate a LinkedIn post which sounds that it is written by a human. And then you can do a lot more than this as well, right? So let's say you have a question that you want ChatGPT to answer. How does photosynthesis work? And we got this text from ChatGPT. Again, most people will just copy this and paste it in the assignment and be done with it. But AI detectors can instantly tell that this is AI generated. So what do? We can first check for AI detection and we can scan for it. And it says that this is, yes, AI generated. We can again go on to AI Humanizer. We can paste this right here and we can keep it university, keep it general, and then just humanize and scan. So again, all of this text will now be converted into human written text. As you can see, this is a human written text right now. And now I can safely copy and paste it wherever I want to. The same thing you can do for emails. You can do that for blogs. You can do that for any type of text that you normally would be writing. I can even ask it, write a email newsletter about the latest updates in the world of Marvel Cinematic Universe. And we have a newsletter example here as well. Let's just copy this entire text right here. And let's again go into AI Detection. We can scan it. It will say that this is AI generated. Let's humanize this text. We want it to be in a email format, and the use is for marketing. And let's humanize this. So again, you can change the readability and purpose depending on what you are using it for, and you can effectively get the text that you want, human written text right here that you can see. So it's the same topics, everything is the same. We are just changing the way it is written while maintaining the voice and the tone as well. So this is human written. Now I can copy this and I can use it wherever I would want to. I can go on to the home screen and I can see all of these recent documents over here. I can see how many words do I have left over here. And this is basically how Walter Writes effectively works. That was the video. An amazing way for you to turn AI generated text to human written text in minutes. I just showed you how to do it with Walter Writes AI. Check out the link in the description to try out Walter Writes AI, and I will see you all in the next video.